Okay, we're at Waterstone this morning. Now, Waterstone is going to start way down at the end of the cove, and it's going to wrap around this big peninsula of property. Very heavily treed neighborhood, a lot of hardwood trees in this beautiful neighborhood, beautiful trees in it. And as you get to that dock on the very point, it's going to bear back and go back in the next cove, okay? So we're kind of on the eastern side of the neighborhood this morning. But basically, it's going to talk about a topography rating on this neighborhood. You know, obviously very nice trees. Topography, you know, as you begin to come out of the cove, which is way back in the back there, most of those lots have got a 1 to 2 slope on them. They're pretty gentle. As you move out to the point here, you start really picking up, you know, lot 16, 17 type location. You start picking up more topography as you move out towards the point and back around on the other side. So I'd give these, you know, a 3.5 to a 5 rating as far as slope goes, where, you know, 10 would just be extreme, basically up and down. But you know, still easy to go up and down on these properties here in Waterstone. But a beautiful community. Just got great houses in the neighborhood. Got some nice protective coves to swim in. And you know, here on the point lots, go ahead and try to get you a view as we turn around here, looking back towards some open water. Then you're kind of looking back towards North Harbor that you see, and then we're back looking back towards Cane Creek Harbor, which is over here behind us. And then we're looking right here at Shelter Cove, would be right across from you on some of these lots. So just a great neighborhood here on Lake Kiwi. Okay, here we are on the back side of Waterstone. So as you see, you can, as I was mentioning before, as you kind of come out on the point here and move along this northwestern side of Waterstone, you get some pretty good slope on these properties because these homes are pretty elevated up off the water. However, you know, sometimes more elevated you are off the water, your bigger view that you have. And I do believe, if I remember correctly, a couple of these two homes up here have a little bit of mountain views looking back towards the north, okay? And Waterstone will actually continue on to your right as we're moving right now to basically, you just past that dock, there's a couple more lots. So really your views for Waterstone, I showed you the views from your east side. On this side of the lake, you're kind of looking back down the channel. You're looking back down towards Backwater Landing here on Lake Kiwi, and then an undeveloped piece of property on the lake, and then looking back down the channel and looking back towards North Harbor. But Waterstone, wonderful, well-designed community here on Lake Kiwi, just wonderful trees.